I'm sure it's been a long day, especially, if you've been listening to all these really serious and high-tech discussions. I know I'm pretty tired, so I don't know how you're feeling, but thank you so much for hanging around. I just want to say that, we've listened today to a lot of discussions about cutting-edge solutions addressing really pressing health challenges, and I think we can all see the potential of technology to really, advance as well as increase the speed of some of these discoveries and bring that to the market and bring that to the patient and hopefully bring about, a much better and healthier future for everyone. Some of the things we talked about today, we've heard being talked about today, ranges from the AI and digital health technologies to cross-border collaborations in the Greater Bay Area. We've seen remarkable advancements in AI-powered diagnostic tools that can detect diseases earlier and explored how AI enhances drug discovery, potentially shortening the time from laboratory to patient. We've also heard more about the digital health technologies, including telemedicine platforms, wearable devices, and how those kind of technologies are really empowering individuals and changing the patient-doctor relationship in quite profound ways. The collaboration between Hong Kong and the Greater Bay Area has emerged as a significant opportunity for companies and startups in the sector. We heard from both startups as well as investors talking about these kind of opportunities. And by leveraging those kind of complementary strengths in research, manufacturing, and commercialization, we can create a world-leading hub for health innovation. This collaborative approach will be crucial in addressing the complex health challenges we face. We've seen groundbreaking research in personalized medicine and genomics, much of it happening right here in Hong Kong. And, just to address one of the questions before about Chinese medicine and AI, Baptist University will be opening its hospital, its Chinese medicine hospital, beginning in phases from mid next year. And they are very much focused on, using lots of innovative technologies, including AI, to bring together Chinese medicine and Western medicine concepts as well. And we expect to see some fantastic results coming out of that. This is going to be available for every person. It's a public hospital. It's going to be deploying Chinese medicine alongside, proven concepts in Western medicine. So I think we're going to see some, really good, advances coming out of that. So we've heard all these inspiring stories about startups driving healthcare innovation, whether we're talking about, novel drug discovery systems to revolutionary diagnostic tools. These young companies are proving groundbreaking ideas that can quickly become life-changing realities. Their energy and creativity are vital to the continued growth and success of our health innovation ecosystem. Now, last week's policy address has set forth a visionary roadmap for Hong Kong's future development to become an international health and medical innovation hub. There were multiple initiatives highlighted, and if you were here this morning, you would have heard my colleague, Andy Wong, as well as our Secretary for Innovation and Technology and Industry, Mr. Sun Dong, talking about some of these initiatives. But if you don't mind, I just want to recap some of the really strong ideas that came through that, because I think it's of really pertinent interest to the people in this room. So some of these include the extended coverage of the 1+ mechanism to all drugs, including vaccines and advanced therapy products. There's also the development of the Greater Bay Area clinical trial collaboration platform that will allow Hong Kong, as well as the companies in the Greater Bay Area, to collaborate into, obviously onto clinical trials and hopefully enable especially startups who are looking to target both the Western as well as the Chinese medical ecosystems in mainland China to actually get to market just that little bit faster. There's also that the government is also taking steps to establish a Hong Kong Centre for Medical Products Regulation towards adoption of primary evaluation. These reforms and many more initiatives will benefit patients in Hong Kong and empower our city to become a global health innovation hub. Financial support, such as the 10 billion Hong Kong dollars new industrialization acceleration scheme, also provides vital funding for enterprises in life and health sciences, which is essential for nurturing the next generation of health tech innovators. What that means is that if companies are looking to manufacture these really advanced kind of products here in Hong Kong, there will now be funding that will help you to take you to that phase. You can actually, manufacture, whether we're talking small batch manufacturing, whether we're talking about, slightly bigger scale kind of manufacturing, there will now be funding support to help facilitate this. Now, I am not sure whether you know, you might do because some of you are in the biotech kind of sector. Hong Kong has in fact become the biggest IPO center for biotech companies of Asia Pacific. Our advantage as a global financial hub combined with our world-class universities, and just to highlight, we are the only city globally with 5 of our universities in the world in the QS Top 100 ranking. There is no other city with as many universities in that. Combined with our industry support and most importantly, the policy measures, we hope that will initiate a virtuous cycle, drawing more talent and investment to our city in the coming months and years. The StartmeupHK Festival, with its diverse range of events, from the Jumpstarter Ignition Gala we had on the Monday to the upcoming 1.5C Summit, a sustainability tech event happening tomorrow, has really highlighted Hong Kong's strengths across multiple sectors of innovation. In particular, today's Asia Health Innovation Summit has underscored our city's growing prominence in health technology and biotechnology. Hong Kong's unique position as a springboard bridging mainland China and overseas markets, combined with our world-class infrastructure, the talent pool, it provides unparalleled advantages in the global health innovation landscape. And these factors help to position us to play a crucial role in addressing significant healthcare challenges, from aging populations to emerging diseases. Now, I'm going off script now, actually. I'm just going to talk. It's really good to have all of you here participate in the StartmeupHK Festival. This is something we've been doing for the past 9 years. And one of the reasons, objectives why we're doing this is that we want to bring collaborators, companies, talent, investors from overseas to Hong Kong, showcase the kind of things that we've got happening in Hong Kong, but more importantly, really trying to bring groups of people together so they can, do business, whether they can find their partners, their investors, and, other kind of important stakeholders to help their business. It really is a functional kind of conference. And, we're seeing huge growth actually in the number of startups in Hong Kong. Last year's figures was that we've had 4,200 startups residing at the various co-work spaces, accelerators and incubators. We've had over 2022 to 2023, mid-2023, we had $1.3 billion US invested in startups in Hong Kong. And we've nurtured over 15 unicorns in the past 7 years. I think that's testament to some incredible innovators here in Hong Kong, as well as a really good support system of universities, of investors, of corporates, and other people like you sitting here. And, I hope you will really join us and, take our hand and basically, take your solutions, your innovations forward, and we can all help to benefit the people in Hong Kong, the people in, the Greater Bay Area and beyond. Thank you so much.